Ang Paskong Pinoy ay hindi nawawala sa lamesa ang putahe na to. Simplehan lang natin ang luto pero pasarapin. Wala pang 30 minutes, mayroon ka ng pansit canton with sotanghon gisado. Saute onion and garlic until fragrant, season with salt, add carrots, leftover chicken, season with soy sauce, cook few seconds, then add cabbage at beef balls and cook the veggies. Iset aside ang sauté veggies and sa same pan, magpakulo ng beef broth or any broth available. Lagyan ng black pepper, soy sauce, chicken cube, let it boil. Kapag kumukulo na yung sabaw, ilagay na ang sotanghon that I soak few seconds until tender but firm. Ilagay na rin ang pancit canton, mix very well, and cook until noodles are cooked. Ilagay na ang sauté veggies pero kalahati lang kasi pang toppings ang iba. Mix very well until just combine and it's ready to serve. Best serve po ito ng mainit tapos patakan ng kalamansi ay panalo. Kaya ano pang inaantay nyo? Kainan na!